Hello, teacher.
Hi, Navi. Morning, Navi.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Navi?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good to hear. Are you in a cafe now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Enjoy your time there. Please make yourself comfortable, Navi, and we will start right away. Okay, let me share my screen, and now we will have speaking practice 31. Okay, now can you tell me, Navi, what is the man doing? What is the man doing?
What's it? No, I'm not. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Nó bông hoa hả?
Cái gì mình số ship rồi đi từ Đan Xen cô đã phụ được đó ra không mua được mấy cái nữa đồng phải đồng bạc nó bỏ ra 3 triệu bạc mình mua hôm qua bên mương bạn ấy hôm qua mưa nước nữa hay là biết những điều số
What's the
số
matter,
lại biết được
Navi?
thấy là dùng cái phần là dai đi phải ống rồi cho nó nên là tôi mua được phải tôi sướng phải đi làm cam nghe
Đi qua học.
mình muốn lời nói chứ bây giờ chúng ta
Okay.
Okay, now, please tell me what is the man doing?
The man is taking a red book.
Okay, yes, is getting the red book. Now, how many children are in the picture?
There are three children in this picture.
What is the woman doing?
The woman is
Can you see it clearly? The woman
the woman is calling on her phone.
is talking to someone on her phone. Is the baby sleeping?
No, no, it's no,
No, he,
no, he
he
isn't.
isn't. Okay, now, what is the boy in the red shirt doing?
He is reading a funny book.
Okay, he is lying on the floor and reading a book. Where are the people?
They're
Where
in
are
the
they?
library.
Okay,
They're in the
yes.
library.
Is there a clock in the room?
Yes, there are.
There
There
are.
is.
Okay, where is it?
It's it's on a wall.
Okay, it's on the wall on top of the books in the left side. Okay, now, what color is the baby stroller?
It's blue.
What can you see outside the window?
Teacher, what is this?
Which one? Where? That is a stroller, Navi. Stroller.
I mean this one.
The the red thing below it. The red thing,
This one.
Navi. The red thing. The red thing.
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Lâm Soạn như thị 6 7 giờ
Okay,
Cái công viên á là công viên thì của nó là tối ưu nó đi công viên rồi đấy không phải nói giá này bạn họ sớm thấy làm mình biết.
Okay, now I believe, Navi, this is just something to stop the stroller from moving. Okay, so probably, okay, maybe it is a blanket, Navi, or a towel that fell underneath. Okay, so now, Navi, can you tell me what can you see outside the window?
I can see many cars.
What else?
The sun and some house.
Okay, some houses. Okay, I can see cars, houses, a tree, and the sun. Okay, there you have it. Now, where is the toy crocodile? Where is the toy crocodile, Navi?
Mm,
Where is it? Where is the toy crocodile?
it's on the pillow.
Okay, yes, it's on the yellow pillow. Okay, now I will give you 1 or 2 minutes to think and organize your ideas, Navi, and after that, no more extension. We will start right away, okay?
Teacher,
2
what is this
minutes.
one?
Where? Where?
For a moment.
Okay.
For a moment.
Yeah, sure.
What is that?
Where? I can see your pen.
There.
Where?
Here.
No, I can see your pen.
Here.
Oh, wait. Okay. So, oh, that
This
this
one.
one? This one? The white ones?
No.
This one?
This one. The off. Yes.
I think that is a garden, Navi. A garden or a newly planted grass. A newly planted grass. Okay, so now, 2 minutes before now, Navi, we will start. I mean after. Okay. Please take your time, Navi.
One, the elephant can look at the crocodile. Or a crocodile can smile. That's strange.
No, the crocodile is not smiling. The crocodile is trying to bite the elephant.
I don't think so. The elephant will stomp on the crocodile's mouth.
Đi làm buổi rồi đúng không? Mình dám theo nước rồi xem nước. Bây giờ tao còn
Okay, let us start now, Navi. Please
Not
start your
yet.
presentation. No, it's 2 minutes already.
3.
Oh, I didn't say 3. I said 2.
I want 3.
Oh, you want 3? Oh my gosh.
My mom phone's too hot.
You should put it down, Navi. Where is your iPad, Navi? Why are you using your mom's phone?
Because my iPad has no battery.
Oh, I see. You should charge it, Navi.
Yeah, okay.
So, ready now, Navi. It's already 3 minutes. Please start your presentation. No more extension. Start now, Navi. Navi.
Here.
Okay, let us start now.
Okay. This is a picture of a library. There's a man. He's taking a red book.
Or you can say a family is in a library. That is
Bookstore. And there's a man. He's wearing a blue t-shirt with gray trousers. He's taking a red book. There's a man. There's a woman. She is here the phone of someone, and she pick up to here. She is wearing a red sweater and a purple skirt. The next one is a girl. She is pushing a baby in the blue sweater. She is wearing a pink trousers with
pink t-shirt, Navi. Not pink trousers.
a pink t-shirt with green trousers and pink
Shoes.
pink shoes, and the baby is wearing a purple
Shirt.
pajamas.
Okay, purple pajamas. Well done, okay.
And the elephant is looking at the alligator. The
Toy elephant. You have to
wants
be more specific, Navi. A toy
The
elephant.
elephant toy is next to the map. And there is an alligator. It's on the yellow pillow. There's a cat on the chair. The cat is sleeping on the
Long
chair.
bench.
And she is sleeping near to the window. The window, and there is many books are on the table. And there is a lot of cars, houses, and there's a sun. There are many books on the table, and there are two of armchairs, and there's a yellow pillow too. The clock is choosing to number 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And everyone is happy. They are reading books very lovely.
Okay, thank you so much, Navi. Or you can say it is a sunny day and everyone is busy. Okay, so now I have observed, Navi, that you gave a gender to the cat. We don't even know if it's a girl or a boy. You said that she is sleeping near the window. If you don't know the gender of something, Navi, you should use it. Okay, it is sleeping near the window. And I've observed you talked about the yellow pillow, and then you proceeded to talking about the window outside, and then you proceeded to talking about the clock, and then you proceeded again to talking about the outside of the window again.
This
So,
one. No, not that one. Look.
where?
Here, I say about this one.
Yes, Navi. Yeah, you talk
I say
about
about
this.
this one.
Yes, you're talking about it. What I mean, Navi, is that you talked about what is in or outside the window. Then you proceeded talking about this thing right here, and then proceeded to talking about the clock, and then you go back to talking about what you can see outside the window. You should organize your ideas, Navi. If you are in this side talking about all these things, you should finish that one before moving to another thing. So you will not go back and then go back again. Okay, so to avoid repetition and redundancy, Navi. Okay, and as well, you can say that the library is a little messy and everyone is busy. Okay, so that is how you should end your presentation. Now, by the way, Navi, for this one, we don't have video anymore. So we will only be reading the reference answer in here.
Wow. I think my mom don't give it to you.
Yes, only 1 to 30, Navi, but 31 to 40 we don't have. We don't have a video. But that's okay. What is in the video is still in the same in the in the book given here. Okay, so can you read it, Navi?
No, you need to read because I read also.
Why? Why me?
Because I read finish.
No, you did not read. You presented. Presenting is different to reading. Okay, so you have to listen, Navi, and this will be the last time that I will be reading it. You have to read it on your
Uh,
own next time so you can compare your answers. Okay? Now, what,
I
Navi?
now you need to do that.
Okay, this will be the first and the last time I will be reading for you, Navi. Okay, so now this picture shows a library. There are 5 people in it: a man, a woman, a boy, a girl, and a baby. A man is putting a book on the shelf. The woman is talking on the phone and laughing. The boy in a red t shirt is lying on the floor reading a book. The girl is standing next to a baby stroller, and the baby is pointing to a toy crocodile. There is also a cat sleeping on a long bench. Some books are on the red table. Everyone looks busy and happy. Okay, there you have it, Navi. By the way, this one, it is a long bench. Okay, it is a bench, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a long bench, and the library, of course, is a little messy, but everyone is happy. Okay, now, Navi, next one we will have this picture. Okay, so do you want to have a 5-minute break now?
Okay.
Okay, so join the class when it's
No,
it's already
I think. Oh, I join at what time?
at 10:30, Navi, 10:30.
Okay.
Okay, see you in a bit, Navi. Relax.